Today we have comparison between two speakers that are pretty solid. Yeah, JBL is best known for okay sound and so on. But the UB Plus Db1 double bass, I'm still not sure why they call it double bass, but hey, is pretty cool as well. Especially its performance for its kind of build. The funny thing is with this speaker, it is mono sound, but yeah, mono stereo on Bluetooth speakers, it stays a bit of, useless. Some people think that stereo on a Bluetooth speaker is the best to go, but I have experience, like for example with the Mi Ultra, for example, stereo on Bluetooth speakers is a bit misleading, because the left and the right channel are pretty close in the same housing. So if you really want to have better stereo, you do need some separation, and this is also with Bluetooth speakers not really the case. Yes, you do hear a bit of separation on the channels, but it's not that much that I would say that a mono speaker is not great enough. So, for example, with this speaker you have the bass driver underneath, which does help giving the bass more room filling experience. And the passive radius on the sides are very big, like in comparison to the JBL. And don't get me wrong, the JBL has pretty decent size of passive radius, but on the UB Plus they were very smart to make them this big, like very wide. So this does give this speaker a very good bass performance. It's really a deepness in the sound. One thing where the JBL definitely wins is a bit more on the clarity side, and this has to do with it having two bit better tweeters for, let's just say, treble and details. And on UB Plus the tweeter is bigger, but it's also more like a Doom mid tweeter. So this means that this tweeter, even though it does do treble and so on, it also is a bit of a mid sounding speaker. It's a bit of a weird setup, but this has to do of course with the bass drive underneath, which is actually a bit of a subwoofer on the speaker. Like in the JBL there is no like real bass driver, there are two mid drivers, and you do hear the difference. Yes, the UB Plus is maybe not the best tuning with this solution, but if you really care about bass performance, the UB Plus goes very low, very nicely low, and it has a very warm sound. You have to like it. Yeah, the JBL is more high detailed and so on, but the bass on the JBL is more limited to its mid drivers. So do you want more details? JBL. Do you want a bit better bass performance, especially in the deepness? UB Plus. So without further ado, here are the audio samples.
I'm craving hope in this darkness. You say I'm just a joke, just a joke. Shivers my spine so low. Swimming in the river stays too much. I'm trying to let go of unspoken. Truth is what you really want us. Never looked that way at me. I swear she's fucking with my head. Take me far away from pain. Take me far away, far from yesterday. This ain't a love story, it's a funeral. Darling, damn, you look beautiful. You're killing my heart, it's the usual. Killing my heart, it's the usual. All you do is waste my time. Done being a victim of your phony love. All you do is waste my time. All your hypocrisy is killing me. All you do is waste my time. Done being a victim of your phony love. I'm not looking for a love story anymore.